I drive. I love Queenie and fuck. That's all like me never have my seatbelt. So what a road car. I'm wearing my seatbelt. Why are you beeping? Yeah, right, crazy. So that listen, man. I love Queenie. I love Queenie that shit. Why? See that sky, son of God. It's just everybody has a different mind. Alright. I can't even see what alright, so come to know where I put an eyeglass on my drive. I'm all by myself, and listen, life comes with many rascal stages. You have to take it as it comes and enjoy it as it comes. So, I don't say I so sweet, me. I feel so fucking good about myself. I say, I feel good. None of them have a clue, but we're going to why? I want Queenie like that. Blow up my joke. My son. Oh God, Queenie, I love you. I done something, yeah? And it's something for the ladies. I think the ladies deserve it. So because I'm the queen and I win sting and never unafraid for talk on the mind, I talk my mind for others. So you see the song that my husband done, yeah? Where he said from the pussy to the mouth, that I hate because of what he said. And then woman is not allowed to say back stuff, yeah? I don't think it's right and I don't think it's fair. The song is nice, I want life, got a good pause and a good vibe, but I say, alright, since I've been here as a team, and you split from me and the song where you're not even giving me the chance. Here I go, I'm going to do something naughty. So, maybe it's not naughty, but maybe it's his. I just think that will let me feel better after all is said and done. I'm the fucking queen. I represent for the ladies. So, may I laugh for the joke? I don't know how I don't. Hi, God. I say I love Queenie or fuck, but I'm just gonna let you all hear it. It's fuckery, but it's really a fuck. A fuck are you? What do I hear? Shh. But I don't care about my name to nobody. It's a secret. Okay? So, oh, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restored my soul. He leadeth me the path of righteousness. For his name's sake, here do I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow Queenie and Udo all the days of our life, and we shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. Alright. Oh, this is Mash. Mash, where are you?
By walking up to my house because we run late and I have to help him bring.
Okay, I'll come and get you at yours, Mash. Cause I go to Girl Power, yeah. I go to Girl Power on YouTube, so I'm coming at yours. I do Valentine's date site, literally crazies. I go to Girl Power tonight over YouTube, dating site and all that. I just Lego, I dash out Annie. Yes, so listen up. Mash, I'm coming to get you.
Yeah,
I'm all by myself.
I'll be home in about 10 minutes, Jay.
Alright, I'll see you soon then. Thank God.
Okay.
Yeah. You're right, crazy. You already know? But now, like Queenie, it makes sense to me, but no business. I get them at the fan on the damn It's on a girl, on an enemy to an own a rascal self. Enemy to woman. Alright, you know ready now? Alright, she. Oh, don't do me fucking that.
Oh, baby, my nipples are stiff. My clit is jumping. Baby, I know you want my body. Baby, I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. Want my goodie, I will skin it out. I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. You want my goodie, I will skin it out. Oh, baby, my pussy, come get it and eat it and lick me and bite me and taste me. Jello, ice cream, baby, ice cream. I wanna put my pussy in your mouth.
Ice cream.
Want my goodie, I will skin it out. Cloud night is cloud nine. Oh, baby, cloud nine, come get me. I want my pussy. Eat me, baby, eat me.
Wow.
Oh, girl power, you know all of... Jesus Christ. God, it was it.
Oh, what from the pussy to the mouth. Some counter at my husband. I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. So all I group of them, Queenie, stop it. All I group of them are all who are NCAR. Free finger and disengage. My Annie and dash out. I don't want to hear it back. Every time I listen to the song, I say, alright, you're not thinking about your wife. Alright, you just have to sing because you can't sing. Alright. I press blood clap, but me all purpose. May I sing back because I can't sing, because I could have sing enough things. I sing some pussy clean, some pussy fat, because that happen natural. I'm a defend my chat. But now me and your wife or husband, oh yeah, ready if you go do song, man, I tell you about you and him for the song, but yeah, fuck that. Me want to put my pussy in some man mouth, a whole heap of man out there want my pussy in their mouth. So, love Queenie and fuck. Oh, me say, yeah, the man. Me just get one little fuck already, man. I say, me have something for her to make me feel good. This make me feel good.
Oh, baby, my nipples are stiff. My clit is jumping. Baby, I know you want my body. Baby, I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. Want my goodie, I will skin it out. I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. You want my goodie, I will skin it out. Oh, baby, my pussy, come get it and eat it and lick me and bite me and taste me. Jello, ice cream, baby, ice cream. I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. Want my goodie, I will skin it out. Cloud night is cloud nine. Oh, baby, cloud nine, come get me.
Yeah. Every man DJ this up in them song. Mega really, this is just a little homework practice something and a real deal in that just fuck that. Since as you are.
Baby, my nipples are stiff. My clit is jumping. Baby, I know you want my body. Baby, I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. Want my goodie, I will skin it out. I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. You want my goodie, I will skin it out. Oh, my pussy, come get it and eat it.
But glad me there by myself.
And bite
Somebody
me
and bite me.
Ice cream,
This is
baby.
all I get, I'm
I wanna
afraid.
put my pussy in your
Them
mouth.
something bad
Want my goodie, I will skin it out. Cloud night is cloud nine. Cloud nine. Cloud nine. Come get me. I want my pussy. Eat me, baby. Eat me. Girl power, you know all of...
All I man, we are anchor. We're willing to skin it out. Because I want to put it in your mouth. Why? When do I hear it? My car didn't hear it good. I got hook it up on the car. Wait. I say me I drive. I laugh at myself because them say I'm foolishness. I say I don't care. Anything I'm going to turn, man. I don't fucking care. And if I have a 3 girl out of the lot, I gonna love it. Because a girl power I represent. Fuck that. So all I dirty man, I'm going to get up every minute I sing. But when I box with the cocky, you know, make we take it, make lipstick. A long time I tell them I'm going to sing one song for them, you know. So for all I don't want to hear it, man. Nah, lie. But I'm married to Queenie.
My nipples are stiff.
My
clit is jumping. Baby, I know you want my body. Baby, I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. Want my goodie, I will skin it out. I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. You want my goodie, I will skin it out.
But I have no husband. May I do me?
And bite me and taste me. You know, ice cream, baby, ice cream. I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. Want my goodie, I will skin it out. Cloud 9 is Cloud 9.
Cloud 9. Why?
Come get me. I want my pussy. Eat me.
I want that from my happen to me. I love Queenie.
Oh, girl power, you know all. Jesus Christ, dog.
Oh, God. I didn't hear it good, do it. I drive by myself, so thank God I'm alone. I drive and make up my song for myself. I don't give a fuck. And me represent for girl, them fuck that. I shine and did sing was, ooh, what did I do? What them to curse? Oh my God, the Lord is my light and my salvation. Who shall I fear? I shine and they kill and sing one song and then crucify her, you know. I mean, I said, well, look how much something the man them say. Oh, why is it like that though? Yeah. I said, look how much something the man them do and crucify with. Me say when I hear my husband say from can't talk to you now, Virginia. I show up my life. I say, then when I crucify me, if me anybody did I drive. I call one person, I say I'm gonna do something naughty. And them ask me how I say, I tell them so we're gonna do this song. And they said, don't do it. I say, what? I am an artist, you know, sound? I love Listen, I crazy. I'm not hear me. Apple Music. My practice.
Baby, my nipples are stiff. My clit is jumping. Baby, I know you want my body. Baby, I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. Want my goodie, I will skin it out. I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. You want my goodie, I will skin it out. Oh, baby.
Thank you, darling.
Pussy, come get it and eat it and lick me and bite me and taste me. Jello, ice cream.
Jello,
Baby,
ice cream.
I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. Want my goodie, I will skin it out. Cloud 9 is Cloud 9. Oh, baby, Cloud 9.
Why? Where the hell let me, please? Why? Jesus Christ, can somebody don't go and let me, please?
Jesus
What?
Christ.
Mega Park, weird. I love Queenie. T-Bird, but the tree-bird, weird. Weird, no man, Queenie careful. Weird. We need a laughing stop. Why? Mega pick up Mash. Mash don't know about the song yet. Wait till when he hear the song. Why? Jesus Christ, God. And my Valentine's present. Why? Pre-Valentine. Give me the thing when the doctor. Why? I can't see. Me don't know what's sweet, but it's sweet me. Come here, tell you now. No, Queenie, stop it. Queenie, behave yourself. Queenie, calm down. Queenie, stop show off. Stop. Stop being extra. Stop being a driver, Queenie, and calm down. Jesus Christ, God. It's serious. Shit. Let me mash book up the car, wait. Me one car that is so much something, my head hurt, but God knows. Why? We can't sit that one the right side. My eye are black. Do we have the fucking song sweet me? Why? Mrs. Me have no husband. We are separated. I'm enjoyed for that. My God. I like it, but I like it. I think I sweeted something up for it. Why? No, I'm in there for the find the joke. Somebody help me make it be funny. Because me alone can't laugh so. Wait, I'm going to park up and see if we get a laughing stop. See, them not even park good. That for sure say joke sweet me for sure. She the Queenie stop it. Queenie! Fucking stop it and shut up that woman. Somebody come find me now, man. Why? Let's have to play the song, but I can't read. Oh, that's some dogs. I'm a blind, but just someone. Well, I have to stay with me for the song. We have a park good. Listen, I want to run out of my eye. But I cry for everything, because right now I cry. No. Why see somebody really and cry and me a chicken? I want that. Why? Boy, I sing for a pussy to mouth. But I defend myself and the girl them. Fuck that. And I man them are anchor phone. Oh, fuck no. And all I DJ them are class about me never did forget past thing. I want to put my pussy now on the mouth. Yeah. My honey and me a dash out. All I want a dirty man in class, man, grudge me. To an iron balloon and I get forgot past thing and my energy put my past thing. My natural energy and be myself. It make me reach past thing and I go. I like the song I want to put my pussy down about. Move on the blood clot. Since as my husband want to put film cocky in a girl mouth. Fuck that. Why? Well, I can't be able to stand. No, I'm not lie. This coming like a little nursery rhyme, something by sweetest nursery rhyme this. But man, I couldn't hear it properly. But my park, okay, wait. Wait, remember why I talk the matter them out of my eye as well. Cause you don't chat me, yeah? Hey, big up Latus. Well, Latus Kamash. What's your name? Latus Kamash. The lady with the depends thing. So one thing with Queenie, Queenie find fun in every cast. When I listen to the song nice to read, but it's not appropriate. And then, show him no, sir. Certain song I not agree with because my husband say I have to think of me because I think of you. But do some pussy clean, some pussy fat, that's a natural fact. And I defend that and I became an artist. And it goes on and on. With all due respect, I am here defending the ladies. We need to get what pussy in their mouth. Every man wants to see, only want to hear it. Only there? Wait, let me see if I eat that, because I make beard chat. Alright, let me see if I can hook it up sooner. Make I see if when me born when my mama gone to market. Yeah. But that lie. That come like them pay me £1 million a while ago. Sweet me, see? I mean, big bad and bold, I have to represent for my girl. Them no for no one scream out and talk out and don't have the guts. But I've got the fucking guts, you get me, lady? I'll sing out loud.
And when you hear from the shout.
Wait no man.
Oh baby, my nipples are stiff. My clit is jumping. Baby, I know you want my body. Baby, I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. Want my goodie, I will skin it out. I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. Want my goodie, I will skin it out. Oh baby, my pussy, come get it and eat it and lick me and bite me and taste me. Jello, ice cream, baby, ice cream. I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. Want my goodie, I will skin it out. Cloud night is good night. Come get me. I want pussy. Eat me, baby. Whoa. Girl power, you know all of it. Jesus Christ.
Practice. No, I gotta do it properly. You can't tell me nothing. Wait no man. Don't stop rushing thing, no man. It's a practice thing, you know. You understand me? It's a nursery I'm doing, but it's never come to life. Maybe me could.
Oh baby, my nipples are stiff. My clit is jumping. Baby, I know you want my body. Baby, I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. Want my goodie, I will skin it out. I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. You want my goodie, I will skin it out. Oh baby, my pussy, come get it and eat it and lick me and bite me and taste me. Jello, ice cream, baby, ice cream. I wanna put my pussy in your mouth. Want my goodie, I will skin it out. Cloud night is good night. Oh baby.